So the next is PaaS, or Platform as a Service. Now, when you're talking about Platform as a Service, you don't need to manage that much anymore, right? You only need to manage two things, and that is your application and your data, right? And that's it. That's literally it. That's all you have to manage. And then by using PaaS, or Platform as a Service, Azure will manage more. So it manages the runtime. For example, if you've made an application and it needs .NET, right? .NET is a runtime. It will essentially manage all of that for you. In infrastructure as a service, you need to make sure you update the runtime. You need to make sure that you are doing these updates for the runtime, the things which will let your application run by yourself. You need to go onto the virtual machine. You need to do manual updates for these services, right? The runtime. But in Platform as a Service, it will automatically look after your runtime for you. It will also look after the middleware, so your applications talking to, say, databases and stuff, right? It will also manage the operating system, so you don't have to worry about going into your virtual machine, doing manual updates on your operating system. It will do the virtualization for you. Like, you don't have to worry about virtualizing anything. It looks after your servers. You don't have to deploy a server, log into your server. You just literally worry about these things on the left, your application and your data. It manages your storage for you. You don't have to go ahead and create a storage server on Azure, right? You don't have to worry about that. And as well, your networking, it can manage this for you as well. You don't have to worry about that. So as you can see, infrastructure as a service, you have to work with a lot yourself, and Platform as a Service, we are reducing the amount that you have to worry about, and Azure is now looking after more over here. And then you yourself, you're not